Friends, you can see this tiny dot on your screen. Looking at it, you might think it's just a star. But actually, this is Pluto, a planet in our solar system. Pluto lies at the edge of our solar system, right where the Kuiper Belt begins, which means it's actually inside the Kuiper Belt. It's so far away that even today's most modern telescopes couldn't capture clear images of it for a long time. So, NASA came up with a special solution. A uniquely designed spacecraft named New Horizons. Launch and journey begins. New Horizons is still the only spacecraft that has ever reached Pluto. It was launched on January 19, 2006, and it finally reached Pluto in July 2015. Yes, it took a long journey of 9 years to get there. So what did New Horizons see during this 9-year-long voyage? And what happened to it along the way? Well, that's the story of today's video. Fastest spacecraft. When it was launched in 2006, New Horizons was the fastest spacecraft ever. Its speed was 50 times faster than a jet airliner, and it crossed the Moon's orbit in just 9 hours. Within just 4 months, it crossed Mars's orbit and started heading toward Jupiter. Let me tell you something amazing. NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft took 12 years to reach Neptune, but New Horizons reached Pluto, which is even farther than Neptune, in just 9 years. The Jupiter Slingshot. How was it possible for New Horizons to reach Pluto so quickly? The answer is Jupiter. When New Horizons reached Jupiter's orbit, it used Jupiter's gravity to perform a slingshot maneuver. This boosted its speed by 20% and reduced the journey time by 3 years. While passing by, it also captured pictures of Jupiter's 4 biggest moons, Ganymede, Io, Europa, and Callisto, all incredibly important in planetary science. Hibernation mode. After leaving Jupiter's orbit, New Horizons was put into hibernation mode. Now, what is hibernation? Just like some animals go into deep sleep to survive the extreme cold, New Horizons was powered down to save energy for the long journey ahead. Crossing other planets. After Jupiter, it passed the orbits of Saturn in 2008, Uranus in 2011, and Neptune in 2014. But here's a surprising fact. It didn't take any pictures of these planets. Why? Because even when it passed their orbits, the planets were still incredibly far. Saturn was 1.4 billion kilometers away, Uranus was 2 billion kilometers away, and Neptune was a staggering 4 billion kilometers away. Pluto encounter, the big moment. After 9 long years, New Horizons finally entered the Kuiper Belt, and on July 14, 2015, it came closest to Pluto. It captured incredible close-up pictures of Pluto, the first time we ever saw Pluto this clearly. You can even see Pluto's color, the frozen ice on its surface, and mountains clearly visible in the images and videos it sent back. This was a huge milestone for NASA and for space science. Pluto's moon, Charon, New Horizons, wasn't just designed to take photos of Pluto. It was also meant to capture images of Pluto's moons, especially Charon, Pluto's largest moon. Why is Charon special? Because it's half the size of Pluto. No other moon in our solar system is so close in size to its parent planet. That makes Charon and Pluto a unique planetary pair. Beyond Pluto, into the Kuiper Belt, after the Pluto flyby, New Horizons was sent even deeper into the Kuiper Belt to discover more about this mysterious region. And guess what? New Horizons is still out there, exploring the farthest corners of our solar system. We don't know how long this journey will last, and we don't yet know what else it will discover. Friends, if you enjoyed this amazing journey of the New Horizons spacecraft, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such fascinating space stories.